Lance from ThetaTraders.com. In this video, I'm going to go over the 0DTE I did today on March 21st. Is that the first day of spring? I think. Anyway, pre-market, we had a gap down. And then I mentioned this in my Discord where we were looking at a possible down day. If you go to 0DTE questions, pre-market, I said pre-market was bearish, considering a call credit spread near the recent high around the 57.20. Then what I did was take the trade with a call credit spread. SPX was at 56.19 at the time. I sold the 57.10 call, bought the 57.20 call, makes it a call credit spread. I took in $45 in premium. And I do a 3x stop on these, so stop out at 1.35. The delta was 0.06 at the time of trade. So if you look at trading view here, I filled up 0.45 right here. 57.10 is the black line here. Notice it was near yesterday's recent high, and that's where I was able to sell the call credit spread for $45. And then it closed at 0.15 right here. I decided to close it early because it was a good profit in a pretty short period of time. Still in the trade, and ThetaTraders.com members are able to see what we're going to do throughout the day here. It might expire worthless. I just decided to take the quick profits. So if you have any questions, let me know. And there's a link for signing up in the description down below. Have a good one.